din maka-accelerate like this for my position. Aman, magkatimo sa sudah kag-star. Ay natabo sa kabuhi mo lang ay, wati mo din nag-aari rin. Hindi ako antigo mag-cellphone din. Ang buta na din, pa-Inglisang ba ko din? You see it.
Oh.
Another matter pa. Reasonable power pa. The love the light for mother here. That's it. Never lost po. Uncle Ropa there in heaven po. What they see for my life now? I'm to high moon. And then I still cannot be eating for the lunch. Supper and sacrifice for my family circle for all. Where to punish and follow us with Christine. Follow me. Mother. Father, that is to begin to know about surrender. Mama. There is no narration about my husband. Jadi, wala may husband forever. What then? Aba? My son. Only. Sa mga nga kung kuno ako. Sa uli nga. Kali ba kalibutan namin maglaas. Ay, may pumbuang ako ay madinagan ko pa sa paari. Hindi ako ako ang din. Kaya ko rin nila nagalabas. Nagmamahaw. Basta, work. Dahil, ani, producer din ako rin yung mga pa-sales stock ng mga teacher na sa sila tubuhan ako.
Don't forget to eat your lunch, your breakfast, your dinner.
That is fasting food.
Yes.
At the night, also plenty.
You
Eating
work-
for that, about that, the food. Why?
You work hard and then you
Hard,
fasting always.
Dari ko no. Din Islam kat makukukuk, nagkabaog it ubos. Pagkatapos ubos. Ginlabiha tuloy. Be, makapit ang liguang. Dance. Family circle and the neighbor can you present to relative all very respectfully and then to helpful for us. And this is what they did because picture was on not living for time for listening now. Okay, hindi. Remove and then to cook the rice. About us,
Okay, you cook the rice na. It's already what time is now?
Time. Oh, I know. Tamang kanina kay nara ito sa place ni po. Yan ang rin, na bilong.
You're always busy.
Din at din there?
No, let's go back in Manila already.
We are babayin nino. Again, time for.
Yes.
Hala, that's what sa den.
She come back on December.
Hindi po ni mama kong aning.
Yes. Babalik sila sa December.
Okay.
Yeah.
Present to be again. Okay, goodbye. Kapilang ko na ko naghambal nga goodbye. But if
Okay. Okay, God bless. Tingin na, bye-bye.
fix ko no na.
Okay. Sige. Okay. You cook your rice now. When? Yes. God bless. Thank you very much. Pinsan ko, very entertaining. Yeah.
Ano niya tawo kung di pagbuwan mo?
This is only temporary. Temporary only. Itong lated. Itong tali. Yes. God bless lang. Bye-bye. Yung pinsan ko. Very entertaining. Yan talaga yan. Bihira kayong magkita. Ayan. Kasi guys, nag-ano kami dito. Naglagay kami ng litid tali. Tawag ito. Ano ba tawag dito? Yung parang nagkaroon kami ng palatandaan kasi magkatanim ako ng mga nyug dito sa side, sa area namin. Kasi sayang naman tong area. Wala siyang para magamit yung lupa. Sayang. And then pati para malinis pati itong area na to. Yan. Sayang naman. Nakatiwangwang. Ayan. So, simulan ko na ang pagtanim ng kwan dito, nyug. Ayan. Ayun ang pinaka boundary. Tapos ito na yung area namin. Yes, almost 1,000 square meter. Ayan. God bless. Share my videos. Ayan, kakaiba na naman itong ating makikita dito sa areas namin. Bye-bye, God bless you all.